This is what we're doing, guys. Patching this concrete. Basically fixed all the cracks, as you can see. And then we're gonna do there was some unevenness and some deeper holes in there. And we got this. No, that's not it. Right here. Got this mixture of Portland cement. I'll get this out. Get it down like this. I think you get the picture. Been cleaning the edges here and just kind of like give it like a little edge there. Gonna apply more. Well, this is how it looked before. A whole bunch of moss like that everywhere. You can see I sprayed it all the way. Look at that moss everywhere. I still got over here plenty moss, and that's gonna be our next stage. Alright guys, you might be wondering what's going on here. So this is what I do, and I'm just going to show you something that I've been doing for this concrete. Just basically give it like a, I call it a facelift. You can see how rough it's been. Years since this been pressure washed and done anything to it. You can see those cracks there deep inside. So what I do, I use this concrete bonding adhesive. Buy this at Depot, or probably lowest they might have it. Put about that much. And I got about a little over 4 inches of water in this, 99-cent bucket. Okay. And then what I do, got this bucket here. What I'll do, I'll put like 3 to 1 basically. 1, 2, and I'll put another Portland cement. So that's the 1. And then, so that's 3 to 1, basically 1 cement, 1 Portland cement, 3 sand. And you can just, if you don't have, because I'm doing it just one batch at a time, it's kind of concentrated. Just kind of roll it like that. Get a little chocolate in there. Now, because I'm a one-man army, I don't know about saving a lot of money because I sign up for DACA. Just kidding, but that was funny. Anyway, even this rolling thing does work really good. It's almost like a tumbling machine, but that's good enough. Then I get the water, the mixed water. I can do this with one hand. I'll give it about half only. Oh yeah, I was gonna show you you need some of these tools, not all of them, but some. And one thing I like to use is this, and I do have my edger, which that helps. What I'm making right now is basically we'll probably call it a slurry, but it's a slurry with a 3-to-1, so 3 sand, 1 Portland cement, and I'm applying this on top of this concrete, which here all I have is just straight Portland cement after I pressure washed, and it was good. That's another thing you want to do. But, it's definitely pressure wash, and I'll show you why. This is what I have, this moss right here, all over. I mean, some of it was just nasty, and then these cracks right here, they just keep cracking. Ants loves this and just keep building up, and you know, basically I filled all the cracks. And then I'm gonna finish this edges too, just kind of give it a nice edge. Anything that's loose like this, you just get it out. You can just fix that back. You can see, look at that. That's how it looked before. And that's actually good. I kind of went a little bit with the pressure washer there. But that's, once I move these cars from here, I'll get that part. There she is. Okay, so this is what it looks like. As you can see, it started raining. So that's my luck here, but from where it was to what it is now, that's good. And this is just going to be just like a sealer, basically. Sealing it up, and then I'll go with another topping coat on top. That one looks like a little more dry there. Annoying about the rain, because it was supposed to be 2-3 days or no rain. But that's what you get sometimes.